going along the coast, probably past Rill and stuff like that.
Oh.
We're at the top, following the coast round to Anglesey.
That's a nice church. You missed it. It's back there. Seaside.
Now we're in Spain again.
If only. The statue. Is this where there was like a church? Do you remember we went on a walk?
Yeah, it was over there.
She was fishing. Crab fishing. Poor crabbies.
It's where we're booked tonight.
Is it?
What it's called. Oh, it's up there.
Trearddur Bay. Something like that.
It's like really creepy, I think.
Yeah, big time.
Someone owns it and lives in it.
I don't live in it, it looks abandoned.
Yeah, the last time we came to Anglesey, we passed this.
So go and have a look.
You what?
Go and have a look.
I don't think you can. It's not on.
No vehicle access, pedestrians, access only.
But there is a load of history about it. I can't remember what it was. But it sticks out like a sort of thumb round here.
It looks haunted, if there's such a thing. They're definitely living there. We should go look at it.
There's a £10 voucher in here as well for booking direct with us, and you can use that towards food and drinks in any of the bars or restaurants.
Thank you so much.
So breakfast tomorrow is served through in the restaurant, just through there, and then they start serving from 5 until around 9, and then we've also got the Inn at the Bay, and they serve from midday right through until 9:30. The room is room 30, so that is top of the stairs behind you here, left, and then up the second flight.
All right, thank you.
Thanks
Thank
so
you.
much.
It's quite nice, really, isn't it? We can sit together. I've only put salt and pepper in it.
Birds are direct descendants. round. That's nice.
This is crossing back into mainland Wales from Anglesey. Wales is always nice, even if it's not really that sunny.
It is.
I mean, it's nicer when it is sunny. Bit of sunshine.
I know. My eyes ain't used to it.
Should be more cafes around.
Hey?
There needs to be more cafes around. got a cafe, I don't think I've been here. So,
We have.
What?
I think we have.
This one.
Oh, I'm thinking of a different one, aren't I?
Quite possibly.
There's the bikes though.
Oh, I don't want to park there. There's a river and a wagtail stream. What do you think about that?
What? It's nice.
So what's it like? Just like a Welsh pub looking
No.
like a cafe
Cafe. It's a cafe.
inside stone walls?
No, it's like a basic 1980s cafe. inside and have a look.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I've got itchy ear now.
Itch it now.
You what?
I said, shouldn't you itch it now?
It'll go. Little waterfall there, look.
Oh, that's nice.
That was a nice little cafe, wasn't it?
It was.